Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, once again, a early Facebook Live vlog. Okay, as a early morning Facebook live stream vlog or whatever. Too. Okay, today is still October 2020. Okay. All right. So anyway, I'm just here hanging out and stuff like that, doing the weather and all that. Concerned about my auntie. She's feeling bad, you know. So I'll go pay her a visit soon. Okay. All right. When all this be over and stuff like that, I'll probably catch the bus to our house or whatever, you know. But anyway, so brace yourselves for Hurricane Zeta. Okay. It strengthened to category 2, they say, but it's gonna be a fast moving storm. Okay. Let's once again look around, okay? Let's once again look around, you know. Look around this area, you know. People park their cars and stuff in this driveway and stuff like that. Well, a part of me glad my mom isn't here to experience all this, you know. But technically, I'm just glad to be alive. I love rainy days, honestly, but I can't stand hurricane wind force, you know, because I don't want nobody to lose everything, you know. But to look at these houses around here, I don't think the houses could stand a category 3, 4, or 5 hurricane, you know. Look at the houses, y'all, especially right here. My friend Christina used to live here, but you folks never met her. Okay, so I miss her being my neighbor. Actually, yeah, Chris, I miss you. Honestly, I think she watching this video from her Facebook. You know, because we are Facebook friends. You know, so fortunately on that, she'll probably watch this. But I don't think she gonna watch this uploaded to YouTube. I don't know about that. So as I'm talking to y'all and looking around, ladies and gentlemen, looking at the clouds and stuff like that, as the clouds move by, you know, uh huh. I love summer rain, you know. It's autumn time / fall. Okay, it's a possibility my close friend is watching, you know. If she is watching this, you know, let's see if she will. After 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 dissing her on my after dissing her for not coming to my birthday party, which I'm not dissing Nyla, you know, the girl I should have married, or Brittany, you know, which is my other close friend, not replacing Tanya. If Tanya ever watched this video, or if somebody tell Tanya that I mentioned, but some of you don't even know what Tanya I'm talking about. If you watch my previous videos, y'all should know who Tanya is. Okay, and I want to tell y'all though, Tanya was talking about wearing a mask on my show long time ago. That was for my very first season when I tried to beg her ass to come on my show, you know. So so anyway, I tried to beg her ass to come on my show, but unfortunately she didn't come on my show. Dirty dog. But she came on my show at the end of my second season. Okay. This is my I started 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19. I think I'm in season 11. Okay, season 11 of the Domino 7 show. Okay, I just looked over there. A bus just passed. It was one of them new buses. All right. Okay. Look at the grass is always greener on the other side of the place. Okay. So they're not gonna have too many people walking around though. Okay. They ain't gonna have too many people walking around. You know. So as I as I sit down here, now I'm sitting down. As I'm sitting down here, showing y'all the sky. You know what I'm saying? As I'm showing y'all the sky. Oh, so somebody watching, but I'm not gonna mention the person name. Not even a last name. And I'm not gonna say if that person related to a pop diva. Even though her father has the name, but I'm not gonna mention. Okay, so never mind all that though. So as y'all watch whatever news in y'all town, if you're living in Biloxi, Mississippi, Orlando, Florida, here in New Orleans, Louisiana, Jefferson Parish or whatever, Harris County or wherever y'all at. I don't even know where y'all at if y'all watching this though. But if I upload this video to YouTube months from now, or weeks from now, or a year from now, because of a personal problem with my computer, okay? All right. So just like I'm gonna probably upload my birthday episode from. Well, I need to go upstairs and cut my computer off because I already uploaded my vlog. But anyway, y'all, okay, it's raining. Well, it's drizzling right now. Well, a little sprinkle, a teeny tiny sprinkle. So the winds, the wind is kind of blowing and stuff like that. You know. So let me take my glasses off. It's upsetting me. I'm just joking. All right. So 2010 was the first season of the Domino 7 show. Okay. So as I'm vlogging and stuff like that, looking at the sky, you know. So all right. So having Asperger's and being disabled and stuff like that, And there's no noise out here, and I'm being distracted all over, Even when I don't hear nothing, I get distracted for some reason, So I'm on disability. But I'm smart. At least I know how to do a YouTube/Facebook TV show, But this is not just a TV show for right now. This is news, and vlogging and whatever. Looking at the clouds, but hurricanes could be cumulonimbus, nimbostratus, nimbocumulus, cumulus clouds, my teacher sort of taught us cumulus clouds or nimbostratus or cumulonimbus or whatever. Cumulonimbus and all that. So if it's cumulonimbus, it's heavy rain with lightning striking, cumulonimbus or whatever. All right. You learn a lot watching cartoons. Depends on what it is, though. Even if it's a Nickelodeon cartoon, you learn bad stuff from Comedy Central cartoons, as far as that, or anything from USA, like Duckman, I used to like that cartoon, Came on Comedy Central years later, All right. ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's starting to drizzle, you know. So I'll come back and vlog when it start to rain. Okay. So I'm gonna be vlogging most of the time, but I gotta charge up this phone. Okay. Thank y'all for watching this live stream, Facebook Live. Eventually upload to YouTube. I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded to YouTube, but if it's on YouTube right now, then it's already uploaded. All right. Ta ta for now. See y'all later.